Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the brand new Amber Cranberry Seed in the latest Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update. So in this update, you can visit the new Fall Harvest map like this, that featuring a beautiful autumn day with fun cowboy styles like this. And in this event, also introduced several new seeds, including this Amber Cranberry. This one you can see it's a super plant, so it's quite rare to appear, and it also comes with a huge price of 140 million. So make sure you have saved up enough the currency before it shows up. And what makes this plant so special is its unique ability. This Amber Cranberry has a 5% chance to apply the Amber Mutations to every growing fruit in your garden. That means it can boost multiple fruits at once and making it an amazing choice for players looking to increase their profits. And okay, that's everything you need to know about the new Amber Cranberry Seed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!